Good morning, children. Here I am Arundhati ma'am teaching you science. We are doing chapter number 3, birds. Open to page number 24. You see, today we'll be doing feet of birds. Feet, is the lower portion of everybody's body. So, birds have different types of feet. We are going to describe about it today. First is birds use their feet to walk, climb, perch on branches, catch their prey, hold food, and so on. Each foot has 4 toes. Their arrangement depends on how the bird uses its feet. So, first we come to know about the uses of the feet. First thing, the feet is used to walk, climb up the trees, perch on the trees means to sit on top and hold it tightly. To hold the branches tightly so that they can balance on the branches. Catch the prey, those who are predators, they will snatch the prey, kill it with the feet. Hold the food and so on. There in the feet they have 4 toes, and according to the arrangement depends on how they use. For what they use the feet more, upon that the shape of the feet depends. The arrangement of the toes depends. First is the perching birds. Birds like the crow, sparrow, myna perch on trees. They have 3 toes pointing to the front and 1 to the back. This helps them to hold on to the branches tightly. So, the crow, sparrow, myna, usually we see them on the branches, and the crows, see the feet of the crows, 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. With this, it helps them to hold the branches of the tree tightly, as they mostly perch on the trees. This helps them to hold the branches tightly. Next comes the climbing birds, the birds who usually climb up the trees and hold on the branches tightly. Some birds like the woodpecker and the parrot climb the trees. They have 2 toes in front and 2 at the back. This helps them to hold on to the trunks of the trees while climbing. So the birds like the woodpecker and the parrot, they are very fond of climbing up big trees and making holes on it to make their nest. So for that, their feet is shaped in that way only. They climb up the trees. They have 2 toes in front and 2 at the back. This helps them to clutch onto the trunk. The trunk is a very wide one, a thick one, so they cannot encircle it. So they clutch on to the trunk of the tree, and that's how from one feet to another they go on climbing. This helps them to hold on the trunks of the trees while they climb. Next we will go on to the scratching birds and others later on.